Alright, good morning. This video is for the people starting moving businesses. This is your reminder, if you're new to the business, people who are moving are also going to have junk to remove. So it's smart to double up and to offer both for your business, especially early on. If you want to eventually shift over to solely junk removal or solely moving, do as you wish later on. But in the beginning, when you don't have a lot of work and you're striving for every single penny, it's very advantageous from a financial standpoint to offer both, and if not other services in the mix of things. So one thing that I'm doing right now, I'm just gonna flip my camera because I can't really flip it up there, but I'm at the dump right now, and I'm up early Shirley because we have a job at 8:30 that I need this truck to set my guys up with. So it's full of junk that we collected for 2 clients yesterday. Now, one thing too is you become an asset to your clients. Like, say you have certain clients, like certain in certain different fields that deal with not just moving but junk removal, donations, so on and so forth. Now you become an asset to those clients, and they're likely to continue to call you back and give you more business, and they're not going to be calling 2 different companies when they can just call you. So quick little reminder, I am going to jump off because I have to actually continue on in this line, but do offer junk removal services while you're starting off, and then again, once you develop more, figure out what route you want to go with, it's a great additional source of income. And just make sure to map out, like in your service area, make sure to map out where the dumps are, call around, find the cheapest one, see if you can make an account and get cheaper rates per tonnage. They used to do that in Massachusetts. They kind of stopped doing that. Everything's kind of Massachusetts is kind of a little bit on the pricier side with everything nowadays, but it is what it is, and it's not what it's not. So that's all I'm going to leave you with. Good luck. Season's here. Go get that money, and if you need any kind of mentoring, I do offer mentoring lessons. The link will be down below. And yeah, guys, best of luck. Have a good morning.